All right, so what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rick Rod, the Hitmaker Man. We're back with another official sound doctrine video where we teach you everything we can to help you move faster so you and your clients can have amazing sessions. And today, I got a super special video for you. Life-changing. Just life-changing. Let's go, man. All right, so the first thing I need you to be aware of is that Pro Tools actually has a search feature. I believe the default shortcut is Windows, Shift, and either N or S, but I had to change it to a custom just for specific purposes, and I'll explain to you why in a second. So let's just pull up the search function in which you can press the shortcut. It'll bring up a search menu, and then you can press whatever you're looking for. If you're looking for verify, if you're looking for a certain reverb, if you're looking for any CLA compressors, anything you're looking for pertaining to this session, you can search it right here versus going up to the audio suite section and searching through the folders or whatever the case may be. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take that and take it a step further and actually program individual plugins to your Stream Deck. All right, so in order to make this happen, we have to go inside Pro Tools and change the shortcut of this search function, because the Pro Tools shortcut for search and your operating system shortcut for search is the same thing. But when you program it to your Stream Deck, the operating system will override the function. So if I program the shortcut to my Stream Deck and then I go in Pro Tools and press it, it's going to activate whatever the computer's shortcut is before it activate the shortcut in Pro Tools. I hope I didn't lose you, but that's literally the best way that I can explain it. All right, so to do that, what I did was I went to Setup, you go to Keyboard Shortcuts, and then, so if you go here, search by key, you can press the shortcut itself. So let's say my shortcut now for search is Alt, Shift, and the minus button, right? It'll pull up the particular shortcut that you want to be able to change. So Alt, Shift, minus was some other shortcut that I would never use, so I just changed it, you know? And so now what I'm able to do is head over here to my Stream Deck, right? Let's open up Stream Deck. I got to rename these and all that, but I'm just showing y'all how this works. The videos to get better over time, but I got to get this out before my day gets started. I just want to teach it. All right, so hopefully you know how to use the Stream Deck already. If not, I'll go through a whole nother video, but for this particular purpose, I'm counting on you to already somewhat know what to do with your Stream Deck. So in my Stream Deck, I have a Pro Tools profile that I'm currently building, and no, I don't know when, but I'm going to end up building a whole profile that you guys can just download and upload yourself. That way you don't got to do all this, but I still want to teach y'all. So in my Pro Tools profile, I'm beginning to curate a new folder in which I know how to make the icons and all that. So don't worry, by the time y'all get this, it's going to be super laid out, super easy to understand. Boom. So I'm making a folder with all my go-to shortcuts that I need, right? So for example, with this particular song I'm got pulled up. Said that you love me, you telling me wrong. Remember I never exposed. So let's just say he got the curse word there, and let's say I want to edit the song right now. Wrong. Remember I can easily now just highlight that. I can hit my shortcut for verify and go on about my business instead of always, you know, I know it's not as much to, I guess, want to search it and browse it, but sometimes searching and browsing kind of get in the way of the workflow. So I figured if I just have it there ready to go, whatever I need, or even if I wanted to reverse it, you know, I could just pull up the reverse function. And well, that's not the right one. Because that's, like I said, I gotta rename them, you know what I mean? But reverse, I mean, not reverse, but yeah, so this would be the reverse function right here. Remember, I never spoke. All right, so, but I'm gonna just crop it out for these purposes or whatever for now. But yeah, that's literally the whole point. I just want to show you how to do this real quick. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Stream Deck software. All right, so you want to open your Stream Deck software. You want to create a multi-action, right? It's going to open up a new window, and then your first thing to do, you're going to create a hotkey, and you're going to hit click to assign, and you're gonna press the shortcut you assigned for search and Pro Tools, right? Right, that's gonna be your first action, because multi-action means I'm telling Stream Deck to do more than one thing at a time. And then, so the next action you needed to do is you just want to enter text, drag it over here, and you want to put, let's put pitch shift verify as the searchable words for whatever plugin you want to use. It could be compressor, whatever the case may be. You want to hit that. You want to hit simulate typing, and you want to hit press enter after the message. And then when you go to Pro Tools, you should be able to press the button that you made, and it's going to pull it up and search it and open it up for you. So yeah, man, I hope that video was helpful. I was literally figuring this thing out yesterday, so excuse me if it's not the most professional, you know what I mean? But I feel like what you needed to learn, you learned, is there over time as I develop this thing. Like I said, I'm gonna create a whole Pro Tools profile for people. It'll be absolutely free, and y'all could just download it, and anytime I update it, it'll be free updates too. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to charge, I just want to teach and help. You know what I mean? I'm just here to help. So thank you for watching. It's another official Sound Doctor tutorial. This one is a little bit different. It's not on no Pro Tools Basic. This is a little more advanced, but hey, I feel like y'all was blessed by the video. If you was blessed, like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your boy Rob the Hitmaker, man. We got more coming. Just trust me. Just lock in. We locking in all year, y'all. Let's get it.